Hey, let's make two hyperlinks. One that will take you out to a web page and one that will jump you within a document. So I have my first sentence, please go to Google, and I'd like Google to be a hyperlink that would take me to Google. So I'm going to double click on it because I want that word to be the hyperlink. I'm going to go to Insert and go to Link. I'm going to make sure my first option is clicked, going out to a web page. And then I'm going to type the address, making sure that I do include the www. And I'll tell it OK. And then when I hold down my Control key, I can click on it and it would take me to Google. I also can jump within a document. So here I have page 2. Please go to page 2. So I could go down here and make this a bookmark and then have me jump to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is click right where I want to jump to. I'm going to go to bookmark and I'm going to type in a name for this bookmark. This is going to be page 2. I have to make sure that I do not make a space in it. It can only be page 2, no space. I'll tell it to add. And then I'd like page 2, the whole thing, to be the link. So I'm going to highlight it, go up to link. This time I'm going to choose place in the document. And you can see there's that bookmark I just created. So I'm going to click on it and tell it OK. Now if I hold down Control, I can jump to it.